Hello everyone, this is a presentation of our CSE 461 Project 3. We implemented a poker room where players can play a poker game called Winner. Firstly, game introduction. We have several valid card combinations: single cards, pairs, multi-pairs, three of a kind, bomb, full house, straight flush. And here are some rules. Firstly, 2 is the highest rank, while 3 is the lowest. The players are following the climbing game rule, which is current player should play cards of the same combination as previous player, but of higher ranks. For example, a pair of ace is larger than a pair of k. A straight from 5 to 9 is larger than a straight from 4 to 8. A full house of 3k plus 2j is larger than a full house of 310 plus 2q. Note that when we're comparing full house, we're only comparing the 3 of a kind. There's one exception. The bomb can be played after any combination and beats every combination except the bomb of a high rank. The current player can also choose to pass, in which case he does not need to play any card. The first person who played all of his cards wins. And here's an introduction of our poker room, the GUI. On the top is the message board, where it shows the number of cards remaining for each player and whose turn to play. On the left, it shows what cards you have. Right shows the cards on board from previous player. The bottom is the control panel, where you can select cards to play. For example, you can select them by just clicking. You can put them back by clicking. The control panel also shows some error message. For example, when a card combination is invalid, or it is of a lower rank than current combination. When someone wins, it shows a message like this.
And now we're talking about the protocol and code structure. In terms of code implementation of this game, we designed our own customized protocol for server and client to communicate to each other. The protocol we designed includes 4 kinds of payloads. The one we use the most is the broadcast. It is used by server to synchronize information to clients. The information sent by clients in one broadcast payload includes the cards played by last player, the number of remaining cards for each player, the player who last played, the player who's now playing, and the cards that you currently hold. The next kind of payload is the assign seat. It is used at the beginning of each game by server to assign seat for each player, which determines the order of playing. We also have play payload, which are sent by client to server indicating what cards the current player would like to play. The last one is the win payload. When there exists one player who has run out of his cards, the server will immediately send win payload to each player, containing the information about who has won the game, and the game ends. More specifically, here is the structure of our code. The server side includes socket acceptance, where each accepted socket represents a player, game loop, which maintains the information of each player, and matching pool, which matches a number of players together for a game. The logic side is mainly implemented in one class, cardCombo.java, which includes the functionality to identify the types of card combinations and the comparison between 2 card combinations. Our client side is originally implemented by GameClient.java, which reads user input from terminal and communicates with servers through sending and receiving payloads. Our GUI is built based on the GameClient.java that share the same functionalities. It is implemented by GameClient.GUI.java and MainboardGUI.java. We talked about this in previous slides. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.